Now, if you listen to the doomsayers, you'd be led to believe that the Great Barrier Reef is in grave danger, but the only problem is that the numbers don't back up this claim. The latest figures out of the Australian Institute of Marine Science show that coral cover for 2023, averaged over the entire reef, was not statistically different from last year's record-breaking high levels. The reef now has twice as much coral as it did in 2012 when it hit a low point after being smashed by major cyclones. But of course, the usual activists blame that on climate change. And the ABC today tried to whip up the fear again, suggesting that catastrophic coral bleaching was on the way. Well, joining me to discuss this is Adjunct Fellow at the Institute of Public Affairs and reef expert Peter Ridd. Peter, welcome. I mean, surely it's now clear that Queensland's coal and mining and agriculture industries are not killing the reef, as the typical activists proclaim every time there's a coral bleaching event.
Precisely. How can we have record-breaking amounts of coral if all those bleaching events had actually killed any coral? So they reckon there was huge bleaching in the last 7 years, but we've got record-breaking coral. And the irony is that the type of coral that's really exploded and come back is the type that's supposedly the type that's most susceptible to climate change, hot water weather. And, now we have the ABC coming in saying that we've got a very hot winter here in North Queensland and that's going to devastate the reef. And they forget that for every 1 or 2 degree increase in temperature, the corals grow maybe 30 to 40% faster. It's crazy.